Minamahal kong mga kapatid, tayo natitipon upang ipagdiwang ang banal na Eucharistia at masaksihan ang sakramento ng pag-isang dibdib nila Patrick Maganzo Jimenez at Antoinette Sardan Buaya.
Gotta get ready, get your confetti, gonna celebrate it right. So come on now, we're ready, know we got plenty things to celebrate this time. Shaking it loose tonight. Shake it all loose.
Nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung kanyang approach sa tao. Kung paano siya kumausap, mostly yung kanyang ugali talaga. So kung ano talaga yung hinahanap ko, na hinakita ko sa kanya. At doon ko na rin nasabi na siya na talaga yon. Mahal, see you at the altar.
Shaking it loose tonight. Shake it all loose tonight.
Hello, love. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating araw. Ngayon na yon. Ready ka na ba? Kasi ako, ready ka nang makasama habang buhay.
Take it all out, shout it out loud. Shake it all out, let your head down. Take it all out, shout it out loud. Shake it all out, let your head down.
Hi love, this is it. Thank you kay Papa God dahil pinaabot tayo sa ganitong chapter ng buhay natin. Ito na yon, yung pinakaantay natin, yung pinagdasal natin. And alam ko, hindi ako nagkamali sa desisyon ko. Mahal na mahal kita at alam ko na magiging mabuti kang ama sa mga magiging anak natin. At alam ko rin na isa ka sa pinaka-clingiest person na nakilala ko.
But I see the seeds to sing. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? You feel like Rebecca, but you're royalty. House so full of flowers growing wild and green. Dig your nails into the dirt, then you find the seeds to sing. Are we there yet? You know I can't stop, baby. I've been paralyzed by fear. But whenever you are near, I feel like I can live forever. I feel like I can live forever. Met you in the summer, you were 17. Looked like you walked right out of a magazine. Set the room on fire, put a spell on me. I was singing, are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na sa lahat ng paghihirap at pagsisikap nating dalawa, sasamahan kita. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you.
I love you, mahal na mahal kita at pinapangako ko na ikaw lang ang pinakagwapong lalaki sa mata ko. I love you.
Baby, I've been paralyzed by fear. But whenever you are near, I feel like I could live forever. I feel like I could live forever. Don't hold back and don't let go. Give me every inch of your soul. I feel like I could live forever. I feel like I could live forever.
Antoinette, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Patrick na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Patrick, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Antoinette na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Letting in the gold. It took some time, but now it's starting to flow.
Patrick at Antoinette, ngayon na tinanggap na ninyo ang banal na sakramento ng kasal, ang habilin ko'y mamuhay kayo sa pag-ibig at katapatan sa isa't isa.